in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter on this device. So first we got here only one paper box. Here we got the SIM tool, and inside of this paper box we got, I think, only the USB cable and the warranty letter and the quick start guide. So as can you see, that's true, and unfortunately we have no here any headphones adapters, any adapters we have no here, unfortunately. So you should buy the adapter separately, and like the earbuds also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.